Have you noticed it? The silence? Or rather, the fake noise? You scroll through Twitter, Reddit, or Instagram. You see thousands of likes, hundreds of comments, endless engagement. It looks alive? But stop for a second. Read the comments. Really read them. They feel repetitive, hollow, synthetic, like someone is shouting into a void, and a machine is shouting back. This isn't just a feeling. This is the dead internet theory. The conspiracy states that the organic internet, the one made by humans, for humans died somewhere around 2016. What replaced it is an artificial zombie, a network dominated not by people, but by bots. And here is the dark truth. It's not just a theory, it's a business model. According to a report by Imperva, nearly 47.4% of all internet traffic is non-human. Almost half of the web is just machines talking to other machines. But why? Why build a fake internet? The answer, as always, is money. The modern economy runs on attention. Advertisers pay billions of dollars to show you ads. Influencers get paid for engagement. Stock prices move based on daily active users. If you are a corporation and you need growth, you have two choices. One, create a great product to attract real humans, which is hard. Or two, buy fake traffic to inflate your numbers, which is easy. This created the ghost economy. Click farms in basements running 24/7. Scripts that autoplay videos to steal ad revenue. Advertisers are losing an estimated $100 billion a year paying for ghosts to watch their commercials. It is the greatest heist in history, and nobody is arresting the thieves. It used to be that bots tried to act like humans, but now we have reached the terrifying inversion. Humans now have to prove they aren't bots. Think about it. How many CAPTCHAs do you solve a day? You are the one in the cage proving your humanity to a machine. And then came generative AI. Before 2023, bots could only click. Now they can create. AI is writing articles. AI is generating images. Bots are leaving comments on those images praising them. This is the Ouroboros effect, the snake eating its own tail. AI models are now being trained on data created by other. The internet is becoming a photocopy of a photocopy, degrading with every cycle. So, what does this mean for you? It means the era of the open web is over. The internet is no longer a public square. It is a haunted house filled with mirrors. Trust is now the most expensive commodity on earth. If you read a review, assume it's fake. If you see a trend, assume it's manufactured. If you see a viral outrage, assume it's algorithmic manipulation designed to make you angry. The internet may be dead, but reality is still here. And in a world of artificial noise, the only thing that has value is the truth. This is Capital Noir. Subscribe and wake up.